Oftentimes, fold-in racks get mistaken with fold-up racks. But we're gonna take a closer look at the PRX fold-in one rack, tell you why it's great, and show you how it's a little bit different from our racks that fold up. The fold-in one rack has all the features that you've learned to know and love. 2x3 black powder coated uprights, 5/8 inch pins, comes with J-cups, still mounts to your wall, and there are some unique things here that you can do. So if you're someone with a concrete lip, maybe you've just got an odd space, you can raise the mounting locations on your fold-in one rack to accommodate that. This rack is 90 inches tall. So if you've got ceiling height issues or you're worried about fitting a rack into a shorter space, if you've got more than 90 inches, this rack is gonna work for you. If you're shopping and trying to build a budget gym, this is a great option. You're gonna be able to save space and save a lot of money compared to a lot of other racks out there. To fold and unfold this rack, you simply need to unscrew the pull-up bar, release a couple pins, and then fold the rack in. This rack is gonna fit your budget, it's also gonna save you space, and it's built around the same qualities that you've learned to know and love from PRX Performance. So, the fold-in one, it's a great option for you.